welcome to Code Fun with me, Rosie. So good to see you, my friend. Come on, me waiata tātou. Kia ora, thank you for coming. Kia ora, on this beautiful day. Kia ora, how are you doing? Or in other words, kei te pehea koe. Kia ora, thank you for coming. Kia ora, on this beautiful day. So there's you and me, and there's someone else here at Code Fun too. Digi! Oh. Digi! Digi! Where are you? The show's already started. Call out if you see Digi, okay? Digi! What's that music? Oh, sorry, it's my phone. Wait there. Okay, I've turned it off. Did you see Digi? Oh, Digi! Come out wherever you are. Oh, there you are, Digi.
Kia ora.
Tēnā koe. Hey, was that you calling me, Digi?
Uh-huh.
I thought so, you tricky robot. Okay, well, we're all here now. Are you ready to have some fun? Great! Wake tātou.
Kia ora. It's me, Digi the robot. It's great to see you. Huh? Oh! Kia ora.
Here, Digi. I need help. Can you help me, please?
I can try to help Eliana, but I'm a robot. I need to be told what to do so then I'll know how to help. Will you help me? Ka pai. Let's do it.
So my problem is that my dog needs to go for a walk. I have everything I need, but I don't know what to do.
Oh, way. It looks like Eliana really needs our help. We need to give her some instructions. A set of steps to follow so she can take her dog for a walk. Te tero. There's a picture of a dog lead, a dog, walking, and finally some doggy do bags. We need to put them in order so Eliana can take her dog for a walk. So what would happen if Eliana followed the steps in the order that they're in now? Let's see. Oh, where? A great big pile of poop. Whoops, she's forgotten something. Something is wrong with the instructions. They need to be debugged. When you try to do something and it all goes wrong, listen and remember the words in this song. You gotta stop, think, debug it. Try to do what you're doing in a different way. You'll be smiling at the end of the day. You gotta stop, think, debug it. Whoa! Away! So, we've got the dog lead, then the dog. We know that's right, but what should Eliana do next? Should she go for a walk, then get the doggy do-bags? Or get the doggy do-bags and then go for a walk? Okay, cool. She needs to get the doggy do-bags before she takes the dog for a walk. Let's swap the pictures around. There. So if we told Eliana to follow these instructions, she would get the dog lead, put it on the dog, grab the doggy do-bags, and then go for a walk. Kei te tika. Do those instructions look right to you? Ka pai. Time to find out if the instructions work. Let's give these steps to Eliana. Kia ora, Eliana.
Kia ora, Digi.
Are you ready to take the dog for a walk?
Sure am.
Here we go. Step 1. Grab the dog lead. Ka pai. Step 2. Put the dog on the lead. Okay, step 3, grab the doggy do-bags.
Got one.
Step 4, go for a walk with your furry friend. Great work, Eliana.
I did it. I took my dog for a walk. Thanks, Digi. Ka kite. High five, Gizmo.
We did it! Thanks for your help, e hoa. Me maumahara. If you try to do something and it all goes wrong, stop, think, and debug it.
Hi there. This is my dog, Hawelo. I love Hawelo so much. Have you ever walked a dog before? Come on, jump up and join in. Let's walk a dog together. Whoa! Whoa! Oh, my dog's really strong. Sometimes dogs are so strong that they pull you along. Imagine walking a really big animal. Like he mokonui, a dinosaur. Hey, I know a really fun game we could play. I'll be the programmer and give you instructions, and you can be the robot and follow what I say. Okay, here are the instructions. If you hear this music, then you need to walk your dog. That's it. And if you hear this music, then you need to walk your big dinosaur. Whoa. Okay, are you ready to play the game? Great! Whakarongo, listen to the music. Walking a dog. Are you walking your dog? Great! Whoa! Come on! Oh, dinosaur! Oh. Oh, dog. What's your dog's name? Dinosaur. Whoa, slow down! I'm okay. That was fun. Koia, e hoa. You're so good at following instructions, just like a robot. Oh, Digi! Oh, Digi's walking a dog too. We've had so much fun on Code Fun today. But now it's time to say goodbye. Hey, Digi.
Hey, Rosie. I've come to say goodbye with you.
Cool! Me waiata tātou. Ka kite. Thank you for coming, ka kite. On this beautiful day, ka kite. Ka hoki mai ano, or in other words, we'll be back again. Ka kite. Thank you for coming, ka kite. Have a wonderful day. Ka kite ano e hoa. Come back next time.
Ka kite.